This thing is hard to...
Gotta put it in between the heart.
Right,
or right underneath the heart. See, see it beating? Right underneath there.
This hook is so hard to turn.
I know. Right underneath there.
I can't get it.
You don't want to kill him.
What about further back? Does it bother?
Yeah, but it'll come off easier though. Like
That's gonna have to do. Look at all these boys.
What are the boys?
All right, get out of here, birds. You were trying to fish?
Oh, you hit him! You hit him, Dad.
Yeah, that got rid of him, didn't it?
It sure did. That one gets mad and barks at you.
Yeah, it makes weird noises.
Yeah, that might not be in the height. He's thinking your bobber's a piece of meat.
Uh-huh.